Hey guys, EBPMAN here. Now in today's video, we're going to take a look at a case for the Google Pixel Fold. This case is brought to us by Speck, and this is the Presidio Perfect Clear case. Let's go ahead and check out how it looks and see if it wirelessly charges. Now, the Speck lineup of cases are going to give your phone ultimate protection. We're talking about 13-foot drop protection as well as micro band technology. Now, this is a clear case, and what you'll see from this clear case is that it's a two-part case, but it's connected, right? You don't have the two separate pieces, and it's really simple to install your phone into it. All you do is snap it in just like this, snap this side in, and you're done. That's all there is to it. Now, I do have a screen protector on my Pixel in the front, and it's not impaired in any way with this actual case. You'll notice over here that you have all the access to your controls here on the side. There's a decent bumper that's coming up as well, so you can see how that bumper is working out. What you also have is a decent screen protection. Now, the one thing that we'll notice about the Pixel Fold is that it does have the camera module comes up quite a bit. And even though that comes out, you do have some protection here that is above the actual camera. And keep in mind that I do have a lens guard on top of this as well. So, that adds a little bit more to it. Over here, you can see that you have your cutouts, right, for your ports there. And it's easy to hold, and as I open it up, you can see what this looks like right here. It works really well. So we'll open it up and close it. No issues at all. It's going to be easy to hold in your hand. And one thing that we'll highlight is that it does not have any spine protection. That's the only negative I would say about this, but it does have a little edge on each side that's going to give you some protection with all the appropriate cutouts. Let's see if it wirelessly charges. So guys, that wraps up our review. See you in the next video.